I've gotta leave here. I'm gonna catch me a gold-tailed bird and ride. I've got to leave here. I'm gonna catch me a gold-tailed bird and ride. If I can't find my woman, you know I won't be satisfied. I'm going to California. I'm gonna stop off in New York too. I'm going on into Atlanta, Georgia, and stop Mississippi too. I've gotta leave here, baby. I'm gonna catch me a gold-tailed bird and ride. That's Continental Airlines. And if I can't find my woman, you know I won't be satisfied. Well, all right. In Tennessee, I know she has some people there. Then if I can't find my woman, you know she's out in this world somewhere. I've gotta leave here, baby. I'm gonna catch me a gold-tailed bird and ride. If I can't find my woman, you know I won't be satisfied. Thank you. Look at here, hey, look at there, pretty girls everywhere. Look at here, look at there, we got pretty girls everywhere. She's kind of fine, and she stays on my mind. The girl, her ways are out of this world, but she's a slick little chick, and I love her just the same. Mr.